Hey there, my friends, and welcome back to this film where we are going to start getting into lead sleep. I want to take a few moments to talk about the free versus the pro comparison, and then really get into the back office to show you about the different types of tools that you're going to get access to. Right off the bat, once you get signed up, if you've already gotten signed up, make sure that you upgrade within the first 24 hours. The reason why this is important is it's going to save you money every single month. You can lock in for, I think it's $19.90, so just under $20 a month for life if you upgrade within the first 24 hours. If you wait and do it anytime thereafter, it bumps up to 27. But the value, as I said in the previous film, for this type of platform is completely ridiculous for either one. But make sure that you upgrade within that first 24 hours, take benefit of the discount. And I'm going to show you all the reasons why you don't want to just get a free account. You're going to want to get access to the pro. And I can highlight at least 3 key reasons. So stick around to make sure that you get to hear those and the reason why this platform is so incredibly valuable. If we take a quick look at the comparison between the free and the pro, really the key things that I wanted to highlight is this can be like some of the other platforms that maybe you've dealt with, where you have to go in and you have to click on a handful of offers in order to earn credits. Once you earn enough credits, then you can exchange those for people to check out your offers. In a lot of cases, it's maybe a one-to-one where you have to do 2 credits for every view. That can be very cumbersome. So you can actually earn higher amounts of credits for every ad that you check out. But let's take that a step further. Right now, as if you were only on the free membership, you wouldn't be able to post any ad, or you wouldn't be able to post any free ads. You would actually have to earn a bunch of credits in order to post, and then you'd have a limited number of people that could go and see those. Whereas with a pro, you're going to get 10 ads right off the bat. And this is hugely valuable because you've got 10 ads that are running 24/7. You can change them out at any time. And I'll show you the type of results that I've gotten with 10 ads just over the time that I've been a part of this platform. Other key things that we're going to talk about are things like having other people click on your ads through common areas such as the member area. You can also maximize potential with a blog aspect of this that I'll talk to you about. There's other ways to make money, like the ad widget. You can also really, oh man, this one is so good. When we talk about building a list, you need to have a place to pull in all of those emails and keep track of everybody that you're engaged with, your entire audience, right? And what is so good about leadsleap is with other platforms, once you get, let's say maybe 500, 1,000, maybe a little bit more than that, usually you can get that for free, but then you have to start paying, and you'll have limited features. In fact, one guy told me that whenever he got to a list of about 10,000, that's a pretty good sized list, but every month with another platform, he was paying maybe $300 a month. That gets really expensive. And if he has, this is actually one of a couple of different platforms that he has. And so he's shelling out $500-600 every month just in an email management system. With leadsleap, you get to have a list that is unlimited. Let me repeat that so that you can hear me clearly. With leadsleep, for the $20 a month, you can get a list that is uncapped. That means you can pull in as many people as you possibly want, and it can all be managed from one location. This is by itself incredibly valuable. So in addition, talked a little bit about expected traffic. I mean, with the pro ad traffic, in fact, I'll show you. Average monthly is around 1,800 views. So think if you've got 10 offers and you can actually have the same offer in a couple of different styles just to see what, I mean, it's just like with any type of advertising, you're looking for what are people gravitating towards, what is grabbing their attention. And with this, you're talking about 1,800 views to your offers every single month just because you're a part of this platform. That in and of itself is worth upgrading to Pro. So let me show you a couple things. So talking about Pro ads, right here in just the last 7 days. So the average monthly they said was 1,800. In the last week, I've had over 1,000 views. You can see I've got all 10 of my ads running. And total, I've had over 26,000 views with all of my ads. And you can see these last 7 days, 100, 100, 93, 140, 99, 98, 100, 74, 115. This is 24/7 traffic for you. This is so incredibly valuable. You don't have to spend any ad credits for this. This is built into the platform by just being a Pro member. In addition to that, a couple of other things I think are worth highlighting is, number one, you can actually do these reviews, and this acts as basically like a blog. Because leadsleap has been around since 2008, so about 14 years or so, they actually rank very high on search engine optimization, so SEO. And if you put in a review about any offer that you're working on, including the one I'm gonna share with you, then you can rank because you're piggybacking on what they've been able to establish over a decade and a half. Pretty cool. You've also got things like link trackers. So if you want to know where all of your traffic's coming from, let's say you've got multiple platforms, you can be able to see what's working, what's not. If I'm paying for traffic, am I getting a good return when I send that out? Maybe I'm working with a new platform and I just want to test it out to see if it's working. You can also do things like ad bars. You can throw an ad at the top and a little line, have that as an opportunity for people to click when they click on any of your other websites, possibly even a current website or a blog that you might have. You've got all the email marketing. And listen, I'm going to give you, so we talked about email marketing and page builder. These are the two key things. I'm going to give you the capture page codes. You're going to see that in another video coming up or another film coming up. In addition to that, you're going to get the list. You're going to get a share code for your email series, which is your follow-up. The autoresponder function is the third most powerful thing that leadsleap has to offer. So if I wanted to highlight three, number one is that you already have you've got ad traffic built into this. So you get 10 Pro ads. Number two, you have unlimited ability to create a list. And number three is you have an autoresponder that's right there for you to follow up with your new prospects, to follow up with your list every single day on autopilot. So going to give you everything on a silver platter. These are going to be pre-written follow-ups that you can just plug in and they're going to be ready to go. So all of that's going to be part of this training. So the other things that I think are really great are things like pop-ups. Anytime you try and jump off a page, you get a chance to create a pop-up. It's also got things like image and PDF managers. There's some other ways that you can earn some money. There's up to 5. And then you also have, what's kind of cool is a built-in followers list. So for every time that you have somebody sign up, whether free or paid, or as a Pro member, they become part of your following. And down here in the bottom corner, you can see Surf and Earn. These are people that came in before me, but I get to see what they're promoting. And then I could click on that to find out a little bit more about that opportunity. Same thing goes for me. I can view how many followers I have, or I can also find out how many direct. So I've got 231 followers, and I can see that just in the last month, I've had 29 visits based on this particular message that I've posted. So it's a great way for you to stay engaged with an existing audience as well as the audience you're building. So, yeah, I mean, I think looking at this, a lot of other platforms require you to pull different pieces. They do really, really well. There's some great names out there that I'm not going to bore you with. You're going to know them if I'm talking about them, because they're great at auto responding. They're great at page building. They're great at whatever, fill in the blank. This is one that has it all together. You don't have to connect the dots. You don't have to pay multiple aspects for your business. You get to pay one price every month. And remember, as soon as you sign up, if you upgrade within the first 24 hours, you're going to get it for less than $20 a month. It's a steal. I can't tell you what a steal that is. And this is to help run your business each and every day. I'm in here every single day because of the value it brings me, both from an ads perspective, growing my list, staying engaged with my audience, and giving me an opportunity to build my business whenever I want to enhance an existing offer or pull in a new one. And then I get to share that. I can take that creation of those pages and those emails, and I can share it with anybody. And that's what's great about this funnel system that is going to be a completely done for you business. So make sure that you go ahead and get signed up. And if you haven't upgraded, make sure you do that right now. And I'll see you in the next film.